As the curtain of the old era is gradually drawn back, a very different world opens up. Now, the world is witnessing a new generation of technological innovations led by industrial internet and smart manufacturing, which is driven by policies of new energy and carbon peaking and neutrality. The general purpose EtherCAT bus PLC born from the new demands of the industrial era. VEICHI VC5 series adopts a simplified modular look and innovative technologies that are brimming over with great craftsmanship, featuring integrated high-speed pulses and rich communication interfaces except for EtherCAT. Canapan master functions. 15 extended modules on the machine and up to 72 EtherCAT slaves are designed on VC5 series products. Supporting 48 real axis max and various functions such as linear interpolation, circular interpolation, helical interpolation, electronic cams and electronic gears. Besides, it has passed -25 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius extreme working environment test and -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius storage performance test. Internal program data capacity reaches 200K steps with 128K soft components and 84,000 power down protection, with which the field data can be quickly recovered after power is resumed. Wiring is simplified for flexible control applications on VC5, so that it offers one-stop motion control solution that is safe, strong, efficient and energy-saving, and can be rapidly delivered to customers. VM series, new generation of distributed remote module, supports up to 16 modules, and its new generation of bus has been upgraded to 100 Mbps for all common bus network, with response speed raised in microsecond. Reliable performance is still maintained within the 2/3 thinner cabinet than the previous one. VC5 main module EtherCAT bus communicates among the multi-layer network. EtherCAT successfully breaks through the final fences that deters the full development of Industry 4.0. By virtue of mighty motor drive, power electronics, and motion control technologies, VEICHI now is working to integrate decentralized data resources of the production lines to realize fast, stable, precise and efficient motion control, and further offers industrial control automation products and comprehensive system solutions for various industries, continuously injecting strong momentum for the global industrial automation upgrade and transformation.